cake, like so. Try to centralize it and put it at the middle. Then you take your long and straight serrated knife in a very straight way, and then you can start to shave. Now I'm ready to shave, and this process is going to take less than 1 minute. You take your serrated knife and then in a very straight way, you cut your cake. So your acrylic disc is going to serve as a stopper, meaning you can't cut more than what is required. This is very quick, stress-free, and it gets the job done in less than 1 minute. There you go, no stress, no hassle, straight, nice and clean, and it's ready to be crumb coated and covered in your preferred ice. So that's it. Thank you for watching. In less than 1 minute, we have a perfectly shaved and carved cake ready to be covered in your choice of frosting, and with just little crumbs being shaved off the cake. Looking forward to you ordering this product. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.